Hello everyone, welcome back to my channels and welcome to Study with Nova. So today I will show you how to use the if statement in chapter 5 if statement. So I think it is like same like before, but maybe this is using if, I think. Yeah, let's try it. Choose a color for an alien. Alien. What do you mean alien? As you did in essence before I wrote an if else chain. Oh, okay. This is if alien is green, print a statement that the player just earned 5 points. If the alien's color isn't green, print a statement that the player just earned 10 points. Write one version of the program to run the if block and another that runs the else block. Do you understand the questions? I think this is if else and if I think. To make sure that I think I want to just copy because yeah, is it easy for us to just using if isn't represented the job. I think I wanna print this. Okay, this is the list. Alien colors green, yellow, red. I think using green, yeah, right. If green in alien colors, then print. What do you mean? You just earn. You earn 5 points because this is using if. Write one version of this program. If the alien's color isn't green, print a statement that the player just earned 15 points. So because using not, yeah. If is it good or not, yeah. If it using not in alien, because this is the if and 10 points. I wanna show Python 3 what the meaning aliens colors. Aliens colors to the P. Come on, not fun. Ah, I'm sorry. Something missing. What the meaning? Ali 5. I'm sorry. 5. What that alien? You just earned 5 points. Is it good using not? Or but if you using, I don't know, is it good or not? But I just wanna using if, then else. So it's not it. Then 10 points. So the output, you can say the output is to, yeah, print you just earn 5 points and you just earn 5 points. There are 2 sentences. Let's try. Yeah, good. Because what's different about the if statement and then if the else statement? Did you know what's the differences between this if statement and then this is the if statement and this is the if statement and this is the else statement? What I learned from this book is because the if meaning syarat if something happen then what happen, but the else meaning not like that. The else meaning if something happen and the else something else, and if is not true, if is this is not true, the else will print just earn point. But because this is just the same sentence, right? Same sentence. But if we make like if something, if this something, if this something, and the difference between the if, all of the else, and then you can try using the else. But I'm sorry, maybe I make you confused, but I try my best in the next in the next test maybe. But I wanna add just status, and if I make mistake, I wanna show you that what's the mistake. Okay, kit I python crash course neon colors using if and if with meaning if and if else. Mean and what's it mean? I'm sorry, I'm hungry. Okay, mean and if. Okay, done. On something important to you, like this. What is different between if and using if again? So what if we using something like this? If what's the colors? Oh, okay, green, yellow, red. Green, yellow, red. Go. What I want to ask you, what's the output of this syntax here, right? Do you what you expect? I think I would expect. Do you want to guess that what the output of this? So if you have like if green in alien colors print, you just earn 5 point, else you just earn 10 point. What you expect the output will be 1 sentence, 2 sentence, 3 sentence, or so I think the output is, because this is right right, this is true, so the output is you just earn 5 point, because if else and this is there are no output, but this is will one output, you just earn 5 point. But because you use if again, then you can expect that the output will be you just earn 10 point. So you have 3 sentence. Let me try this. What the meaning? Python 3 5 for alien colors 2.py. So do you understand? What if I make this is not if but elif? What you expect? Is it just only 2 sentence? You just earn 5 point and then you just earn 5 point, because else somehow else is like if, or the output will be you just earn 5 point and you just earn 5 point and you just earn 10 point. So the answer is if this is like else, right? But what's the difference is between else and elif? Any guess? So I will show you how to use else and how to use elif. in this what the meaning? Oh, I think February. No, no, no. Stage of life 5 6.